Dear students, let us see Vvi MCQs on Ruskin Bond's Time Stops at Shamli and Other Stories, Semester 6, Dse-3, Group B, Nature and Literature. पहला क्वेश्चन है Time Stops at Shamli is Option C, a story. यह एक स्टोरी है. दूसरा है Ruskin Bond was born in Option C, Kasauli. Question number 3, Ruskin Bond is an Option D, Indian born of British father. Question number 4, Ruskin Bond was awarded with, यहां उनको दोनों अवार्ड मिले हैं, 1999 में पद्मश्री और 2014 में पद्म भूषण. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, इन विच स्टोरी बॉन्ड शोज द चाइल्ड्स कॉम्प्लेक्स इमोशंस. तो इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, द फ्यूनरल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इन विच स्टोरी ऑफ बॉन्ड वी हैव द कैरेक्टर दुखी. कौन से कहानी में दुखी नाम का कैरेक्टर है. ऑप्शन ए, द रूम ऑफ मेनी कलर्स. Question number 7, where has Ruskin Bond spent most of his life? Option D, Missouri. Question number 8, in which story of Bond we have the protagonist as a disabled boy? Option D, The Most Beautiful. Question number 9, what is the title of Ruskin Bond's novella that tells the story of a girl named Binya and her unique possession? Option A, The Blue Umbrella. Question number 10, which hill station serves as the backdrop of many of Ruskin Bond's stories? Option A, Simla. Question number 11, which story by Ruskin Bond revolves around a boy named Rusty? Option D, The Room on the Roof. Question number 12, in his early years, with whom did Ruskin Bond live after he ran away from his boarding school? Option C, an old man in the mountains. Question number 13, what is the name of Ruskin Bond's first novel published in 1956? Option B, The Room on the Roof. Question number 14, which animal is often featured prominently in Ruskin Bond's stories reflecting his love for nature? तो ये option C है, monkey. Question number 15, what is the name of the semi-autobiographical book that captures Ruskin Bond's experience and observations about his life in the hills? Option D, Landlord Days. Question number 16, which state's literary award did Ruskin Bond receive in 2007? Option B, Uttarakhand. Question number 17, in which year was Ruskin Bond born? Option A, 1934. Question number 18, what is the name of the small hill town near Missouri where Ruskin Bond has spent much of his life? Option D, Landlord. Question number 19, which novel by Ruskin Bond tells the story of an Anglo-Indian boy named Rusty who embarks on a journey to discover his identity? Option C, The Room on the Roof. Question number 20, what is the title of the book that compiles Ruskin Bond's reminiscence of his childhood and youth? Option D, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. Question number 21, what is the name of the autobiography by Ruskin Bond that covers his life until the age of 21? Option A, Scenes from a Writer's Life. Question number 22, which of Ruskin Bond's stories was adapted into a Bollywood film of the same name? ऑप्शन बी, द ब्लू अम्ब्रेला. इसी नाम से यह फिल्म बनी है बॉलीवुड में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, व्हाट इज द सेटिंग ऑफ रस्किन बॉन्ड स्टोरी टाइम स्टॉप्स एट शामली? ऑप्शन बी, अ रिमोट विलेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, इन टाइम स्टॉप्स एट शामली व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द क्लॉक टावर स्ट्राइक्स मिडनाइट? ऑप्शन बी, टाइम लिटरली स्टॉप्स इन द विलेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, who is the protagonist of the story Time Stops at Shamli? Option D, the postman. Question number 26, what is the postman's name in the story? इसका नाम है गोपाल. Option A. Question number 27, what happens when the clock tower strikes 13 times? इस समय क्या होता है जब 13 बज जाता है? चूंकि ये कहानी है. B, the villagers becomes frozen in place. वो जम जाते हैं अपने जगह पे. Question number 28. What does the postman do to fix the frozen villagers? He rings a bell loudly. एक घंटी बजाता है जिससे सारे लोग फिर जग जाते हैं. Question number 29. What is the final outcome of the story Time Stops at Shamli? Option A. The villagers resume their activities. यानी लोग फिर से काम करने लगते हैं, अपने काम में जुट जाते हैं. Question number 30. Bond was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for. Option A. Our trees still grow in Dehra. So this way you have 30 important questions. Dear students, thanks a lot for watching the video. Keep watching, keep sharing.